Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to start mining PI coin daily. PI network is a mobile based cryptocurrency project that allows users to mine PI coin directly from their smartphone without draining battery life and using data requiring expensive hardware. Unlike traditional crypto mining, PI network makes mining simple. Anyone can participate within just one tap a day. And if you're new or confused about how daily mining works, this video will show you how to start mining PI coin daily on the PI network app the right way. So first unlock your iPhone and PI network app as well. Once you open to your PI network, make sure you're logged into your PI account. Ensure your phone is connected to the internet as well. And over here on the home screen, you'll see a lightning bolt icon here. Simply tap on this lightning bolt here. And over here, mining will instantly start for the next 24 hours. That's all it takes. PI mining does not run in the background or use power battery. And PI mining lasts for 24 hours per session. You must open the app and tap on the lightning button every day to continue the mining. And if you miss a day, mining simply pauses until you tap again and no penalties. And the more active and the verified your network is, the higher your PI earning will be. And stay active in the app to maintain your mining rate. Invite new users to grow your earning team. Add trust members. And that's it. That's how you can start mining PI coin daily on the PI network app. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out. And if you have any confusion or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.